So again, talking to Coach yesterday, we talked to you guys at the beginning of practice yesterday. We thought yesterday was a good practice. We thought we came out early, set the tempo, set the tone. Same thing today. Make sure everything we're doing out here, we're doing full speed. Every time we're doing it, trying to do it a step back.
Either pass to me, I can pass it back to him. Or he can pass to me, I can pass it to Mason. Mason can also go sauce over my stick to Paul. Good, 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 good. Okay, I go through a couple times, yep. One more, yep. Okay. Front, out in front, good.
I come over the top of the board, and I just lose the whole.
We get here, spin, pass to the next guy, he's going the other way, okay? Good, good, good. Quick, 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 quick! My friend! Now we're looking for a guy coming in line with the dots here. Okay, so you have to delay a little bit here. This first person's still going to a hard putt to one time. Okay, it's a hard putt to one time, winding up like this. Right? Right? So we had to have our stick down and we're leaning, one timing it that way like a snapshot, or we're receiving and shooting. Question.